today I'm going to show you how to effectively change your agitator bar so you can put the handle to the opposite side of your nature's head toilet. Very easy. First off, take a wrench, loosen up the jam nut, take your Allen wrench, comes in the bag with the spider handle, loosen that up, slide your spider handle off. Undo the latches, take your toilet bowl off of the toilet base. Down in the base, you'll see there's a cotter pin on each side with a washer and a bushing. You want to remove it from the short side first, where there's no mixing handle. We're going to pull that out, just pop it out, the bushing stay in. So each side there's going to be cotter pin, washer, and bushing. And when you install this, you want to make sure you put the long side in first. So we're going to put that in on the right side of the toilet, so the handle's on the right side of the toilet. So we're going to go down, we're going to insert that into the hole. Hold your hand on this, just push it down. There you go. They're going to reattach your upper bowl. Take your spider handle. Get that snug. And tighten your jam handle. That's how you correctly swap handles to the opposite side of your toilet.